Hi again and welcome back. One of the things we've got on the Pro and ProMax is the ability to record sound. Now I'm guessing the manufacturers, when they do all their demos, use the best microphones in the best conditions, no wind, etc. But today I've come down to my local beach. It's blowing between 10 and 15 miles an hour, so the conditions are not perfect. And I'm going to try out the sound recording using my iPhone, the beacon, my AirPods, a cheap generic mic from Amazon, and the DJI mic 1, and just to see how we get on and see what the differences are. So what my plan is, just to send the drone out on a simple zoom out and use the various methods to record me saying the lyrics from Batter of Hell by Meatloaf, which is one of my favourite songs, and just compare the audio quality of each device. It's been a bit of a change of plan. I tried to fly the drone on the beach, but the wind was just too strong. It was going all over the place. So I've come to a different location now and I'll try you instead. Right, so the wind has dropped. I've got my ProMax. I'm going to start off using the app. Then I'm going to go over to my AirPods, the beacon, the cheap mic from Amazon, and the DJI mic 1.
Zoom out.
Sirens are screaming and the fires are howling way down in the valley tonight, with a man in the shadows with a gun in his eye and a blade shining not so bright. There's evil in the air and there's thunder in the sky and the killers on the bloodshot streets. And down in the tunnel where the deadly are rising, oh I swear I saw a young boy down in the gutter. He was starting to foam in the heat. Okay, well that completes the test. I'm not in any way an expert in sound, but I think we can safely agree that none of them were that good. Is it worth spending a fortune on an expensive mic? I don't think so. Probably better off getting a cheap one from Amazon. Same results you're going to get, and save a few quid. Okay, if you found it useful, drop us the like and the subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Thanks very much.